Hello everyone. So here I have a Nintendo 3DS XL screen and the digitizer is not working. You can see that I click on one place and that little green arrow should go right around the boxes. Even after recalibration, it still has this issue. So that means you need to do new digitizer. So if you go into touch screen and go into calibration mode, I touch these little red calibration things and it keeps on going in loops. And then I just press B to cancel it out because there is an issue with the touchscreen. And even after the calibration, I can only get 2 green dots on the 2 corners, and you should get 4 of the dots. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix everything. And this video just kind of shows you the time it would take. I didn't fast forward. I did a little bit of cutting because it was the first time for me to open up this device and learning the new tricks, but it's not too bad. I'll give yourself an hour and just go slowly. And it has lots of little cables, and that's the tricky part that you're going to spend most of the time. But yeah, enjoy. It can be also good to you learn things when you open them, like the new designs. And so I hope this video is able to fix your problem, and this will give you kind of idea of how long it will take to replace the touch screen there.
Nice. I like how you can just take out the battery. Very replaceable. Let's have a screw in here. We're gonna remove that screw. I think there's something, yeah. 2 screws underneath these little rubber pads. And those screws look the same length as the other ones, which is good. Okay. Okay. Now it has these little cables here. Flip that up.
Don't have.
Yeah. Okay.
This is the part you want to take the most time. You use a razor and you just cut the little glass out off the top, and that's a digitizer. There's just a little adhesive, and just using a razor blade, it comes off quite easily, but you just don't want to pry up. You just want to make sure that you cut, otherwise you could damage the LCD underneath. And just make sure that you stick on the new digitizer in the same orientation so you can attach the cable.
Okay. Let's give this thing a whirl. There we go, you can see it. It's working there. Let me try hit the volume button. So now, yeah, you can see the touch screen is working really nice now. Okay.
So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am a author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times, and this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.